IFE Elevator Installation Guidance Video Series 125% High-Speed Safety Gear Test. Please complete the necessary preparations before the experiment. Fill the car with 125% of the rated weight. Then, drive the elevator to the top floor landing. Change F1 to 1, then call the elevator to the first floor. After that, change F8 to 3 and disable overload protection. The display shows E88. After the elevator started operating, all the contactors were manually engaged. Move to the middle floor position and simultaneously operate the speed governor control switch and the speed governor set switch. After the safety gear has activated, confirm the status of the elevator. Move the speed limiter operation and reset buttons, and perform maintenance on the slow-up elevator reset mechanism. During the test, it is recommended to use the mobile phone app to monitor the elevator status. The on-site test has begun. First, fill the car with 125% of the rated weight. Then, drive the elevator to the top floor landing. Be sure to protect the marble. Change F1 to 1, then call the elevator to the first floor. After that, change F8 to 3 and disable overload protection. At this point, the display shows E88. The position of the speed governor test switch and the set reset switch. After the elevator starts running, pressing against the MC1 and JBZ contactors. If JFX and JMC are there also, need also press against them. The elevator runs to the middle position and simultaneously operates the test switch and the set switch. After braking, the contactor can be released and then turned to the inspection mode and subsequent observation of the safety gear of the speed governor. Slow upward in inspection mode, and toggle the test and reset switches to reset. The action switches of the speed governor with machine room are different. Please refer to the video. After the action, release the switch. Reset the mechanical switch of the speed governor. Reset the electrical switch of the governor, and pay attention to set it to the position shown in the video. After the safety gear of the speed governor is reset, the elevator returns to normal operation and the test is completed.